Hello everyone. So if you open your Binance app, and from here you won't see this wallet option. You might see this option before, but if you have not used this app for a very long time, your wallet option is not there. So you are worried and you want to withdraw or deposit money. How can you fix this? So let me show you how can you fix this problem. First, you just need to open Binance, and from the top left corner you will find this logo. Press this logo, and now you will find this option called Binance Pro, and also this wallet option here. So I will do this option here. So just tap this arrow and wait for this. So now it has been converted to Pro and your wallet is visible. Now you can deposit, withdraw, buy, transfer, whatever you want. So that's how you do you change this. So that's how you change this to Pro and you will get your wallet back. Hope this video helpful. Thanks for watching.